From blood and sea you rise, from fire and bone you're born. You daughter of storm and fire, you lift the world higher. Your feet shake the ground. The ancestors rise when your drum resounds. You are the roar of the tide, the crack of the flame, break of silence, keep of name. Your tears are rivers, your breath is a wind. Warrior blood runs strong within. You daughter of storm and fire, you lift the world higher. Your feet shake the ground. The ancestors rise when your drum resounds. Chains once bound, do you burn them all? Your cry of freedom split the wall. Now every step's a sacred sound. The earth remembers your powers found. We call the wind, we call the flame, we call her spirit by her name. Who stands unbroken, who walks with thunder, who walks with thunder, who walks with thunder. You daughter of storm and fire, you lift the world higher. Your feet shake the ground. The ancestors rise when your drum resounds. Mother of strength, child of sea, you are the echo of all that's free. No storm can drown what you ignite. You are the dawn that ends the night. Woman of stone, woman of